Nih,
Apa Friday? Tambah kam duit lah, singkang am tas ni.
Kublai yapi, manga Melvin Mukim, naka film Haling Kabneng. Nakumen ban pentip shapi, ba nginwan rab yang sashi sini ka film, ha ususo tham auditorium, naruga kapra tarik, adu laipuai tarik ubanai jemang. Ki por kilong, kanar baji mensngi, ar baji mensngi, san baji janmiet, bat hanyo baji demiet. Kurmen banyak dua biang yapi sashi sin.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka kot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka Metïap ka balalap na ka yingja jong katrat forest sa Polo Hills, ka de ka Metïap ka bala Ksaiñ bat ka bala antat baka dan hangni la kumba arte yaw AA. Ya kani ka Metïap ka bempat shimla ban ithul a Pynkit no sha Neigrhims ban le ya ka postmortem bat ban pendap kat kum ki kendon jong ka an. Kat kum ka jing batay jong ki samla ka shnong kilai thu ru ba ki jio I ya uni ubrio ubarung ubami ha kani ka yeng bat kilalap teng ru yu u ha ka por ba kilik kendra.
Stop kali. Orang sih semua orang ni. Ayam. Ya.
Ruko, Schwaba finchet da kajo shikajo ko umpnyang balapin don kam. Apshwa, namar kaneka kta ya kakot kakya jong fi pat kamaryang rukum jo. Da ka bashet da kaneka umpnyang kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry, pim day pat bante shanala ne bantang pendono. Henry, minta ka ruko ne ka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban penkala ya kaneka umpnyang siya ka biodiesel. Tinamar kata limba ka ruko kakot kakya pat kamaryang rukan ktasyo.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.